They gon' let you disrespect Pac, nigga. Want no buy my mother a necklace. Little brother wants stunt him love fashion, him senseless. Me I make it bank account look like it do bench press.
Boom indeed.
Sing like Alicia Keys. Alicia, mama sing like Alicia Keys.
I'm a jean shots, so tell a look a rookie the fit. Bill, walla conk, punk. 9 kilo body, leave a chop, sweet me a fuck.
And dog, sinful and every girl gone bad. Me take up a game hands on cause some other man just a mad dance all a bit.
If you not give me a peso, buy Jovis big dollars. Me nah brave if you money that's a test you. But if you take me we fuck can't forget you.
Tension pull up in a rent a psych apartment. Or even 2K where the war was stem from. You know me sick mentally.
One stops, and me goes through everything in a me contacts. A new Benz with the blue plate contract. Make it skate round about down a song.
Never get a union, but she get a chase door. Online bank, she sign in with a face card. The vibes can't drop. How am I woulda do if the music?
Man a fucking star, me get the ladder up the car.
I know that Jamaica is a blessed country, you know. This is not the first or the second or the last time that we've been through, you know. That's why I sang the song, Day up on the gully, even through the storm. I actually sing that song because I was in Jamaica. I think that was
Ivan.
See, you wrote
and
that.
Listen, I was in my community, going through, driving me and my friends, them, I were chop off trees off of people's house.
Yeah.
And I clear up a community. You know what I mean? With that same song, even if I left the gully. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we've been through it. We've been through the Gilbert. We've been through everything. You know, God always bless Jamaica. It's just for us to start the unity more and, you know.
Without you being there, what would the island be like right now? Is everybody coming together to rebuild and clean up, and is that the Jamaica that you know?
You know, yeah, that's the Jamaica that we all know.